Imagine waking up one morning and struggling to read your newspaper, your favorite book, or even the faces of your loved ones. For many seniors, this is the reality of age-related eye problems. But what if I told you that some simple natural oils can protect your eyes, reduce strain, and even slow down vision loss? Today we're diving deep into 4 powerful oils that can improve eye health and keep your vision clearer for longer. Hello and welcome to Senior Health Guide. As we get older, our eyes naturally undergo changes. Some are normal, like needing reading glasses, but others, like cataracts, macular degeneration, or chronic dry eyes, can really affect our independence and quality of life. Now here's the good news. Science shows that natural nutrition, lifestyle choices, and especially certain oils can help protect our vision. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 powerful oils that support eye health, explain exactly how they work, and show you how to safely include them in your daily routine. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll know which oils to try, how to use them, and why they can make such a big difference in your eyesight as you age. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our weekly health tips. Let's start with one of the most researched oils when it comes to eye health: fish oil. Fish oil is one of the richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, and EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid. These are building blocks for your retina, the part of your eye that senses light and sends signals to your brain. For seniors, omega-3s are especially important because they reduce dry eye symptoms by improving tear quality. They help prevent or slow age-related macular degeneration, AMD, which is a leading cause of blindness in older adults. They support healthy blood flow to the tiny blood vessels in your eyes. Real-life example: in one large clinical study, seniors who consumed higher amounts of omega-3s had up to a 38% lower risk of AMD progression. How to use: eat fatty fish like salmon, sardines, or mackerel 2 to 3 times per week. If you don't eat fish, high-quality fish oil supplements are widely available. Look for ones with at least 500 to 1,000 milligrams of DHA plus EPA combined per day. Safety tip: always talk to your doctor before starting supplements, especially if you're on blood-thinning medication. Now, let's move on to a traditional remedy with modern science behind it: castor oil. Castor oil has been used for centuries in natural medicine, but today it's gaining recognition in eye care. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, which has strong anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties. Here's how it helps seniors. Dry eye relief. Medical-grade castor oil is often used in lubricating eye drops. It helps reduce evaporation of tears, keeping the eyes moist. Anti-inflammatory effects. By calming irritation, it helps seniors who suffer from red, tired, or burning eyes. Eyelash and eyelid health. Castor oil supports thicker eyelashes and healthier eyelids, which naturally protect your eyes from dust and particles. Real-life note: some early research suggests castor oil eye drops may even help dissolve early cataracts by breaking down protein buildup in the lens, though more studies are needed. How to use safely. Never apply raw castor oil directly to your eyes. Use only doctor-approved, sterile castor oil eye drops designed specifically for eye care. Our third oil is a plant-based option that's great for seniors who don't consume fish: flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil is one of the best vegetarian sources of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Benefits for the eyes include reducing inflammation inside the eyes, easing symptoms of chronic dry eye syndrome, supporting eye blood vessels, which is especially important for seniors with diabetes or high blood pressure. Practical tip: many seniors who spend long hours on screens or reading find flaxseed oil reduces eye fatigue and strain. How to use: add 1 to 2 teaspoons of flaxseed oil to salads, smoothies, or yogurt. You can also take flaxseed oil capsules daily. Avoid cooking with it, as heat destroys its nutrients. And finally, let's talk about a true antioxidant champion: vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is one of the most protective nutrients for eye health. It acts like a shield against oxidative stress, which damages eye cells over time. For seniors, this means lower risk of cataracts, protection against age-related macular degeneration (AMD), stronger retina and lens, keeping vision clearer for longer. Plus, vitamin E nourishes the delicate skin around the eyes, reducing fine lines and dryness. Study highlight: research shows people with higher vitamin E intake have up to a 20% lower risk of developing advanced AMD. How to use: take vitamin E through supplements or foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados. You can also gently apply diluted vitamin E oil around the eyes, not inside the eye. Safety tip: stick to the recommended daily dose, about 200 to 400 IU for seniors, unless your doctor suggests otherwise. And there you have it. 4 natural oils that can protect your vision, fight inflammation, and keep your eyes strong as you age. Remember, while these oils can make a real difference, they work best when combined with healthy habits like regular eye checkups, wearing UV protection sunglasses, staying hydrated, and eating a balanced diet. So tell me in the comments, which of these oils will you try first? Fish oil, castor oil, flaxseed oil, or vitamin E oil? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Senior Health Guide for more natural health tips. Stay healthy, stay strong, and keep your vision bright.